and welcome to this video. In this video, we'll be looking at a sample narrative SSC comprehension passage. Now remember, a narrative essay is often an excerpt from a story. Now let's look at question 1. Question 1 says, what 2 losses have the lady suffered? Now, what are the 2 losses? If you read through the passage, you discover that 1, she lost her job, and 2, she lost her bag. So the answer to that would be the loss of our job and our bag. Question 2. Now, the world before her, now, which held so much promise. Now, what does this mean? To what does this refer, basically? Now, this word, as put in quotes, actually refers to her future. The world before her, which held so much promise. So it actually means her future. Now, question 3. Why did she remain awake for so long in the comfort of her room? Now, the answer to this, as we can see from the passage, is she was restless and her mind kept roaming. She was restless and her mind kept roaming. Question 4. What was actually happening when she found herself with the man in the garden? Now, that is pretty easy to answer. It's simple. She was dreaming. Because remember, at one instance, she was in her room, restless on the bed, and in another instance, she was with a man in the garden. So she was dreaming. Question 5. When she got down. Now, this is the part where you are asked to identify the grammatical expression and the function. Now, what is the grammatical name given to the above expression? Now, it is an adverbial clause of time. Remember, the use of when there gives you a clue. It is an adverbial clause of time. And what is the function? It modifies the verb discovered. It modifies, remember, modified means it tells us more. So it modifies the verb discovered. Now, question 6, which is the last set of questions, it says, for each of the following words, find another word that can replace the same. Now, please pay attention. Remember, I had explained in the earlier video that you do not define the words that you have been told to replace. You actually give other words that can replace them, and if when replaced, will function the same way. So please remember. Now, the very first one is reminiscences. Now, another word you can use for reminiscences is recollections. Number 2, reflected. Now, to reflect means to think about something. So, you can use thought or use dwelt. Dwelt. And number 3 is ordeal. Ordeal, you can replace ordeal with trying experience. Trying experience. Now, number 4, you have alighted. Alighted means to get down or to get off from a vehicle, or you could simply use the word disembarked. Disembarked. And finally, number 5, screamed. Screamed can be replaced with the word shouted. In our next video, we'll be looking at the expository type of comprehension passage. Thank you.